New at 6 o'clock tonight, this story here. Health officials met today for an update for East Texas on the new eligibility guidelines for COVID vaccine booster shots.
KETK's Raina Revel is here to tell us what doctors are saying about mixing different vaccines. Raina.
Neil, Casey, Net Health officials met at the Majesty Event Center to discuss recent approvals from the CDC and FDA for who can start receiving the boosters.
Based on trials, based on evidence, a booster shot has been shown to increase that immune response in those who finished their primary series 6 months ago.
Medical experts are saying that those who are receiving their vaccinations will have increased protection, especially against the Delta variant. The Pfizer booster was approved 3 weeks ago, and now the Moderna and J&J booster shots have also been approved. So who is eligible? Individuals who received a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine are eligible for a booster shot at 6 months or more after their primary series.
First category, people age 65 and older and residents of long-term care facilities, nursing homes. Second category, people age 18 and older who have an underlying medical condition. The third category, people age 18 years and older who are at increased risk because of their job.
For those who received the 1 dose of Johnson & Johnson vaccine, it's recommended to receive a second dose 2 months after the first. There's been a lot of talk about mixing and matching vaccine, but doctors are suggesting you stick with the vaccine you received initially. In the next few weeks, health officials are saying they are anticipating to start vaccinating 5 to 11-year-olds and are urging everyone to seek advice and have your questions answered by your primary health care provider.
And being able to vaccinate children who are 5 to 11 is one of the most effective ways we will have to allow them to continue and to resume a normal life.
Most of the deaths happening from COVID-19 are those who remain unvaccinated. For an East Texan who was once a skeptic, shares why he finally got the vaccine.
Please get vaccinated if you're not vaccinated. Last weekend I had 5 family members to pass away. 5 funerals in 1 weekend.
To find vaccine clinics or testing sites near you, you can keep up to date on our website, KETK.com. In studio, Raina Revel, KETK News.